Hey y'all, so today we will be using the Purple Seduction by Sexy Smooth Wax. Y'all, it is my favorite color of purple, so y'all know I had to use it. So that's just me. I poured a little of the wax beast. I am about to wax my legs today. So I wanted y'all to see this beautiful purple color, and you see it melts pretty fast. You see how it's already starting to melt. So I'm just going to start this, let it melt a little more, and then I'll come back when it's ready. Y'all, this wax is so pretty, y'all. I love purple, so this is very exciting to me that I get to use one that is my favorite color, y'all. This wax melted so fast. I absolutely love it. So here is me. Get myself together, y'all. I'm still trying to, get used to this content creator thing. So there's just me setting it up. I'm about to wax my legs, so I got my cleaner. Y'all don't look at my toes. So I'm about to get my toes done this week. Okay. Don't come for me, y'all. Y'all see how pretty this color is? I'm just gonna do a little strip on my leg. Oh, maybe it was recording. Y'all, we gonna make sure we smooth that wax out. Do a nice little lip. And yeah, we're going to go ahead. And this is in real time, y'all. So you're going to be able to see exactly how fast, like, it's already dry. It's already dry, y'all. So y'all looking for a great wax that dries so fast. This one is it. And I'm really a baby when it comes to waxing, but I hope y'all can see it. My leg hairs are so fine, but yeah. So we're going to do another strip here. I wear my legs out this weekend, so I definitely needed this wax. I kind of let mine just drip a little bit off the stick, roll it, and then I start to smooth it out. Just make sure you get a good, nice consistency, y'all. It is the wax. So I'm going to make sure, yes, I got to get it all off the stick because we're not wasting any coin, okay? So yep, let's go ahead and get this smoothed out, y'all. I absolutely love this wax. I've been trying out different ones, and I think this one is by far my favorite. So, yeah. And like I said, it's already dry, and this is me waxing my legs in real time. Do y'all see the exfoliation? Do you see how much lighter my leg looks in that spot? Y'all, I am so pleased, and I am so happy. So if y'all looking for a wax, here got a pack right here. Make sure y'all shop Purple Seduction by Sexy Smooth Wax, y'all. Y'all will not go wrong with this. Do you understand me? Oh, Kurt. Yes, Sexy Smooth Wax. I'm just showing y'all the pack again. Y'all absolutely love this wax. I think this is by far my favorite one. Here's me showing another strip of my leg. Hopefully y'all can see.